22. Today I am back with another Pictoblox video which you all like. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a human calculator as you read in the title, of course. So today we're going to try something new uh, from like this is not available on the Pictoblox place. It's from the original place, but I've got this from some books. Let's just say some books. I'm gonna classify the book, but I'm going to tell the book in the description. So make sure to buy it for your reference. So let's start. First, to make a human calculator, we need to add types of calculation. So here in Pictoblox, you can do division, as you can see division here. We can do multiplication, we can do subtraction and addition. These four types of calculations work in Pictoblox. Now this work in Pictoblox. So first we'll go to variables. We'll make three variables. Make sure it's a number and make it as number 1, number 2, and the third one, which is the last one, as a result. The pros, the very good in this people have already figured out what I'm going to do, but just watch who do not be calculator. So now we have three variables as number 1, number 2, result. How now let's come to the main coding and programming. So if you guys want, you can make a calculator say, but I'm going to do it in the part 2 of this video. So let's start with the programming now. So to start the calculator, we'll do the same when green flag clicked, or you can do any other. Next, when green flag clicked, you have to go to sensing and make it ask what is your name. But now remove that and say enter number 1. Okay, but before that, if you're making the multiple one, then we'll have to do something else which I have came on new and you cannot take it from work. We'll ask what's your name and do it as what type of calculation. Fix spellings. Okay, now we'll make it as control and as if then else. Now we'll take an operators block and take this. Go to sensing and take the answer block. Put it in the first slot and make it as if answer equal to any, like addition. Let's just take addition first. Addition. Wait, sorry guys, I took the wrong block. I'm so sorry. I'm not copying the book. I'm sorry if I cannot show my camera, but I cannot show my camera due to privacy reasons. And we'll put this block into here. Now what should we do? If addition of answer equal to addition, then we should add as and wait. Sorry guys. When green flag clicked, ask what type of calculation. Please remove this. When green flag clicked and add when green flag clicked here too, and add, go to controls and make it as wait 10 seconds, or let's make it 15 seconds. And now answer equal to is there, okay, right? So now I'll explain what we did till now. When the green flag will click, Mr. Toby will ask us that what type of calculation you want to do. We'll enter as addition, multiplication, whatever. And now after we enter our answers, from the green flag when you clicked, the 15 seconds timer will start. When it is over, it will take the answer of what we did, and then it's going to go as if answer equal to. So we'll add this block multiple times. Now let's just copy now. After this, then we'll do as go to sensing and then ask one more question as enter number 1. Okay, and wait an answer equal. Okay, we got the answer, and we'll get another of these block um, answer equal to result. Wait one second. Yeah, we're gonna go to variables and take this set my variable to answer. I'll make it as number 1, and we're gonna throw this. I'm gonna put this. We're gonna duplicate it and put it here and make it. One second, let me stop the command. And we're gonna duplicate it and make it as number 2, and number 2 as here as answer. Sorry guys. Afterwards, we'll go to set result to now go to the operators and take this one for addition. Okay, and now result to and go to variables and add number 1 to the first place. Sorry, let me add it first here. Number 1 to the first place and add number 2 to the second place. We're gonna put it here and set result to number 1 and number 2 plus. Now what we'll do that we will now get a say block. So after we do all this, calculation will be described here. Wait one second. Added one error. Remove my variable and delete. Okay, yeah. So now what we'll have to do that now let's test the program once. We'll have to write addition in under 15 seconds. The timer has started and our answer is written. We'll have to wait some seconds. As you can see now it's here. We'll have to do it like 9 plus let's do 2. We all know it's 11. And now result is 11, showcase here. But now we're gonna make Mr. Toby say it. We're gonna go to operators block, but before that go to looks block and say hello for 2 seconds. Now what we will do, join apple plus apple banana and join, and then we're gonna get the variable number 1 and we're gonna get another join apple banana and we're gonna make it as a plus, and we're gonna get another apple and banana and we're gonna make it as number 2. Now we're gonna get another apple and banana. We're gonna add this as equal to and we're gonna make it as result. As you can see, this will be the output of Toby. Let's start. Wait, and before this, when green flag clicks, we need to reset all the calculation. So set number 1 this, set wait one second, sorry. Now we're gonna go to this back and we're gonna change this one to number 2 and then this one to result. Now as you can see, it will go back to 0. So we'll do it as addition. And then number 1, 9. We're gonna do as 6. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Now calculator works for addition now. Let's start with the other subjects. We're gonna duplicate this block, Make sure to duplicate it. Come down and answer equal to multiplication this time. Now we're going to change it up a little bit more this time. We're going to come to this command block and change this from this operators and take multiplication block, which is this one, which has a star on it, number 2, and yeah, we're gonna add that. And now for multiplication, we'll take the sign from Google. Symbol. Wait, let's just know how to type. Alt. We're gonna do okay. Another tech fact. Okay. Now we know how to do it. We're gonna take this. I'm gonna backspace it. What was it again? 0215. Alt 0215. Oh, okay. The multiply symbol is now there. Now we're gonna get a duplicate block and we're gonna come down to division. Division. I'm gonna do the same, but this time we're gonna make it different again. This shows us the combination of how to of math and computer. We're gonna get the okay, Alt 0247. Okay, now we got the division block. Now we're going to duplicate it and get another last one, and we're going to change it as subtraction. And we're going to change it as we did for the last one. We're going to remove this, put this in the dusty bin. Yeah, sorry, dustbin, but yeah, I can't like to be slashy. And now we're going to add this. Now we already have the minus sign. And now our human calculator is ready. So this is how to make it. But now I'm going to upload it on Google. So the link will be below. So now let's test it. Let's do it as multiplication. Now we're going to do it is 8 times 8. We know it's 64. 8 times 8 is equal to 64. Boom. We're now going to get it as addition. We're going to wait. Yep. And now we're going to do it as like 9 plus 9, which is 18. Yeah. So in the next video, I'm going to show how to make a great calculator. So yeah, this is I already revealed it, but yeah. So thanks for watching. Please look at the other videos.